Welcome, adventurers. Today we're diving into the ultimate budget-friendly travel companion, the 2025 Dacia Motorhome. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips or weekend getaways, this motorhome might just redefine how you explore the world without breaking the bank. Let's hit the road. The 2025 Dacia Motorhome is designed for simplicity and practicality. It's built on Dacia's rugged platform, offering a compact yet spacious design. Its clean, modern lines give it a look that's both stylish and adventure-ready. Under the hood, you'll find a reliable 1.5L diesel engine paired with a hybrid system. It's efficient, delivering up to 600 miles on a single tank, perfect for long road trips. Plus, its off-road capabilities mean you can venture far beyond the beaten path. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a surprisingly spacious interior. Dacia has maximized every inch of space. You've got a cozy living area that transforms into a sleeping space for up to 4 people. And let's not forget the built-in kitchenette. It comes with a 2-burner stove, a compact fridge, and even a sink. Storage is king in the 2025 Dacia Motorhome. From overhead compartments to hidden drawers, there's plenty of room for all your travel essentials. And check this out. Under the seating area, you've got even more storage for camping gear, tools, or whatever adventure calls for. Yes, there's a bathroom. Compact but functional. It includes a toilet, a sink, and a cleverly designed shower that uses space-saving technology. It's like having a slice of home wherever you go. Eco-conscious travelers, rejoice! The motorhome features solar panels on the roof and a charging port for those hybrid drives. You'll reduce your carbon footprint while staying powered up for the journey. The 2025 Dacia Motorhome is proof that great adventures don't need a luxury price tag. With its practical design, efficient engine, and modern amenities, it's ready to take you wherever your heart desires. So, where will your next journey be? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the Dacia Motorhome on your next adventure?